Hi, it's Adam from Aladdin Appraisal with another episode of From the Appraiser's Desk. Real thoughts from real appraisals. So let's get into it. Hey, it's Adam reporting from the desk at Aladdin Appraisal. So here's a comparable in Boxborough that says it's 4-bedroom. And in the disclosures, it does say it's a 4-bedroom Title V, meaning the septic. However, one of the bedrooms doesn't have a closet. Yeah, but they're kind of burying the headline, because what's really going on here is, here's the floor plan. Get ready to you come up the stairs, you turn left, go through a vestibule, bedroom, and then through a door to the next bedroom. Now, of course, they called it bedroom/office, and they stated that it doesn't have a closet. Doesn't make a bedroom. A bedroom is minimum of 70 square feet, at least one wall 7 feet, 7-foot high minimum ceiling is required to be counted as gross living area, and you need an egress window. Which this room has. But this is a 3-bedroom home with a 4-bedroom septic. And the only way to make this a 4th-bedroom home wouldn't be pretty. Like, put a hallway down here, so they each have it's a 3-bedroom. All right, thanks for watching. And you're not fooling anybody when you do this, and your disclosure, in my opinion, this is fine. There are people that are happy. They have twins, or they have a situation where in their family, having a walk-through bedroom, it's fine. They can put a bed in each room. But it's not, when you go up against a real 4-bedroom home, there's a market reaction, and it's not positive to this sort of a situation or layout. All right. Thanks for watching. And whether you're an agent guiding clients or handling a deal yourself without an agent, if a question comes up about real estate values or appraisals or square footage, reach out to the team at Aladdin. That's what we're here for. And if this was helpful, please do me a favor and subscribe, like, or share wherever you're watching. It genuinely helps us reach more people, and I would really appreciate that. See you on the next one.